Hi, I'm Justin McLean, and welcome to this Gravitino REST demo. In this video, we'll explore how to create and manage Metalakes and catalogs. The REST interface is very powerful. It allows automation of routine tasks, integration with external tools, and programmatic exploration of metadata. This reduces manual errors, ensures consistency, and makes it easy to incorporate Gravitino into larger workflows, all without having to rely on the web UI. First, we'll list all existing Metalakes on our Gravitino server. Currently, as you can see, there's only one Metalake. This command gives a quick overview of what's available and show us where we can create a new catalog. But instead of doing that, we're going to create a new Metalake called new Metalake. A Metalake acts as a container for catalogs and schemas. You can also include a short comment to describe its purpose, so anyone using the Metalake or running scripts later knows what it's for. After creating the Metalake via the REST interface, we can check that exists in the web UI. Navigating to the Metalakes page, you can see the new Metalake listed alongside the existing Metalake. This confirms the creation was successful. Now we can add a Postgres catalog, named catalog Postgres, inside a new Metalake. We'll specify the type as relational and the provider as JDBC Postgres SQL. And other properties we need to add include the JDBC URL, the driver class, the database name, and username and password. We can see that it's been created from the REST response, and it shows that the catalog is in use, and it also provides us with the creator, in this case it's anonymous, and the creation timestamp. We can also verify that the catalog exists in the web UI. Looking inside that new Metalake and viewing its catalogs, we can see that catalog Postgres is listed, confirming that the creation was successful. We can also list all catalogs within the Metalake via the REST interface, and again that shows that catalog Postgres was correctly registered. This gives you a little more information, including its namespace and name, but we can go deeper than that. We can explore the schemas inside the catalog Postgres. Now we've used the Gravitino playground here, so this already has some schemas and tables set up. And you can see that the REST interface shows two schemas, HR and public. And the schemas help us understand the logical structure of the database and which schemas are available for queries or analysis. Looking at the HR schema, we can then go deeper and list all of its tables. And again, you can see that the REST interface shows tables such as employees, departments, employees' address, and more. And again, this is useful for quickly understanding the available tables before querying data. Finally, we'll have a look at the employees table in the HR schema, and the REST interface returns detailed metadata on the table, including the column names like employee ID, department ID, job title, given name, family name, birth date, and hire date. But it also shows other information such as the type, nullability, default values, and any other table properties. So this gives us a good understanding of the table structure, and again, we can look at this before performing queries for further analysis. Using the REST interface allows you to automate routine tasks, integrate Apache Gravitino with other tools and pipelines, and explore metadata programmatically. It ensures consistent environments and reduces the risk of human error. With REST, managing Metalakes, catalogs, and schemas become faster, safer, and fully scriptable, while still allowing the use through the web UI. Thanks for watching this Apache Gravitino video. If you want to find out more about Apache Gravitino, either go to the Gravitino website or the Gravitino GitHub repository.